Okay, let's go live. Are we live? Are we getting close to normalcy again? I hope so. Can't wait to be outside again. Although I do have some restrictions now, but yeah, can't wait to be activated again. Great. The guys there. Who's there? Like, who's there, guys? Who's there? Just a slow chat because, you know, I just wanted to make sure that I'm always around. COVID or not, I try to be around also. Looking at some news, an interesting day, a day where I'm also completing a lot of tasks, put in my company report and all that for the taxes, right? So yeah, very, very tricky day today. So I guess this bout of COVID has been good. Get my, how do you say it? At least I can get my admin in order, okay? At least I can get my administration in order. Well, it's kind of cool. I can see myself. So let's see what's happening in the markets now. I'm glad I can see myself. I hope I am back to normal again. We find some crypto. Yeah, let's see some cryptocurrency related news. Very interesting. Very interesting. Luna 2.0. Huh. Terra comes back from the dead. Am I also back from the dead? Maybe I'm also back from the dead. I do not know, guys. I do not know. But let's see what's happening here. So let's just go change this screen here. One moment. One moment. How do I do this? Don't tell me about to use my Zoom. Here. Yeah, here's the thing. Okay, that lighting looks good. Good. I'm going to share this screen now. Okay, guys, can you see that? I am going to share the screen on a Sunday night. I kind of try to make it every Sunday night. Kind of try to make this time, my time, 9 o'clock, COVID or no COVID, just do it, you know. It's called a social media thing. If that time is your time, then you have to be there at that time. So, see what's happening, man. Hey, so one thing I was quite surprised on Friday, the S&P 500 looked like it had turned a corner. Hey, hi guys. Looked like it had turned a corner, okay? 4158. But one thing that I was very upset is that, hey, the cryptos went down. I'm like, what's happening here? So that was kind of unfortunate. So I read today's news, right? What's happening, man? SpaceX to follow Tesla in accepting Doge payments for merch. That's good, Elon Musk. Yeah, I think this space thing and this Doge thing is actually a new ecosystem that's going to be driven by Elon Musk. It's kind of cool. Wow, there's even Red Bull Racing NFTs. Whoa, a lot of things are coming. Just that the prices are not good because we are in a funk now. Understood. In the age of high inflation, people want to buy food instead of wanting to buy Red Bull merch and NFTs, right? So let's see the decoupling here. Let's see the S&P here. Okay, let's see the S&P. We saw it last week, right? I was very happy this week, but not happy for Bitcoin. So there it is. I think we saw it that it has made a bottom here. Let's go to the daily now. Instead of looking at the weekly, let's go to the daily. Hey, let's go to the daily here. Let's look at the S&P 500. This is so key. No, cannot seem to get it here. I want to change this to the, don't give me that. Don't give me that. I don't want it. I don't want that. I want your daily, guys. Let's go to this again now. I want your daily. No, I don't want your weekly. Doesn't want to show me my daily chart. Okay, I don't know why. Stop this. Yeah, but if you saw on the daily chart, there was a double bottom here, right? I'm just trying to find it here. Ah, there it is. One thing I'm going to do after COVID is replace my computer. So you saw here, okay, there it is, right? We said that resistance is going to be here, 4203, and yeah, it's almost there. And look at that. I think we identified this last week, right? This was kind of like the double bottom, but hey, this is even better. Looks like an inverse head and shoulder. Inverse head and shoulder, where does it go to? There, that's it. But it is going to be an interesting summer now. I think that after getting pounded the past 8 weeks or so, even Bitcoin already has a record of down for the past 8 weeks. Of course, something is due to come back, right? But hey, here's the deal, guys. Here's the deal. It ain't over till it's over yet. Okay, hey, yeah, I've come back from the dead. So there it is, guys. There it is here, 4197. Unfortunately, this did not carry over to Bitcoin, which I'm kind of upset about. There's bad news on Ethereum, right? Ethereum 2.0. Again, Ethereum again is giving us again this bad news again. Well, okay, Bitcoin again went down again. And look at that, was here again. But yeah, it seems to be recovering now. But again, it's not recovering enough. I thought we would be by 32 by now. I was like, hey, we're going to go to 32, man, since the S&P is recovering, and it just refused to do that. So we're still a long way off here, right? Whoa, yeah, there. Yeah, look at that, 30, 34, 37, 38. We are still a long way off. Very, very disappointing. Very, very disappointing here. Okay, this is insane. And even this guy, even Ethereum is so disappointed. We are seeing green today, so I hope we have some relief rally here. I just want to know what's the big news that's coming up now. So let's go to Cointelegraph instead. Bitcoin price action decoupled from stock market. Yeah, this is what I was sad about. You see here, you see Bitcoin has decoupled from stock market, but that's not good, right? So tech was up 3.1%. Bitcoin was down 3%. That is not good at all. Personal savings rate has fallen the lowest since 2008. So worsening global macroeconomic conditions could add to investors' aversion to risk assets. So, you know, this is like the ETF for the NASDAQ, down 23%. MSCI China ETF. Is it FXI? Down also. Margin traders are becoming more bullish. So everyone's expecting a relief rally. But having said that, options market entered extreme fear. Okay, which is good, should give us a relief rally, right? But what I do not like is that we are just going away, and it's very important for us that this snapback happens so that they get decoupled in the same way. You know, they couple again instead of decoupling now. So Terra 2.0, this is interesting. What happened there, right? Well, what happened to Terra relaunch, right? Where is the Terra relaunch? What happened then? It seemed to go up very fast and then it seemed to go down very fast. So I do not know about the status of the people who are on Terra. I myself am still confused. SpaceX, finance redefined. Terra relaunches according to Do Kwon's revival plan. But what's happening there? What is happening there? Let's see what's happening here. I read a news. I read a news on what happened to this thing, right? Let me find that news first. What happened? It seemed to go up and then go down. Man, this is so volatile. I mean, you got to get less volatile for people to come in. You know, the more volatile it is, the more people are just not going to even come in. Phoenix 1 went live today as per the original timeline. So this is the revival plan by Do Kwon, hard forking the existing blockchain and reissuing Luna tokens to existing investors based on a snapshot before the death spiral. Okay, when was that? So Terra, as per the original timeline set by the Terra developers. And let's see what happened. To view your Luna 2 as some exchanges call them, you need to only log on to station and refresh the page. So I don't know what that does to people, but I did see this. So it seems it's like super duper volatile, right? So, but again, we hope that Luna 2.0 comes good. So at least Bitcoin can snap back into this rally, because it looks like the stock market may have one of those summer rallies, and it would be a pity if Bitcoin and all these cryptocurrencies cannot join them. That is so not cool. Okay, so look at this. Terra Luna 2 crashes 88% after the airdrop. So opened at 50 cents and within a few minutes surged to a high of 30 before plummeting more than 88% to 3.5. Wow. And then what happened after that? It went up again, like 6.5, right? So Luna 2 was rumored to cost between $30 and $50 upon launch by some members of the Terra community. So the recent price action has caused a furor among investors who continue suffering the losses incurred following Terra's Luna and UST death spiral. Rug me once, shame on me. Rug me twice, shame on me. Rug me twice and convince me to burn my money. Now I'm completely FKN redacted. I don't know, man. This is so tough for the Luna guys. I was more trying on. Did this cause a thing in Bitcoin? Let's see. Did Bitcoin come from the dead? Where is Bitcoin, guys? Where is Bitcoin? What do we have here? Bears prepare for Friday's 1 billion options expiry. Oh, that's why. Was it? Which Friday was that? Okay, it dips below 1.8K. So now it's over, right? Bears Bitcoin stock as Terra comes back from the dead. So Terra is coming back from the dead with 2.0. Let's see, not the decoupling we wanted. Yeah, I know. Bitcoin should be 32 now, you know, not hanging below 30 because we had a decoupling. It's not the decoupling that we wanted, guys. Losing ground against the NASDAQ 100. Okay, we'll recover some of the losses. Yeah, that has to be done. Otherwise, we are not in a good position at all. Okay, and as the stocks go up, look at that, dollar index goes down. Crucial test trend line towards at the end, at the beginning of the year. Okay, so again, another crucial test here. If it goes down, then markets will go up some more. If it goes up again, then markets will go down some more. Controversial was greeted with a limp performance, launched this. And I don't know what happened. I don't know. Celsius, wow, has also another one. This is, again, could be involved in one of these things that they had a lot of Luna. So Celsius is something, it's a very, very big borrowing protocol, okay? Hex, wow, arouse suspicions. Ooh, many things, right? Doji, how's Doji going? Right? Doji. So Doji looks good. At least Doji looks good, okay? So when you talk about coming back from the death, there seems to be a lot of people coming back from the death, right? It seems like Terra is coming back from the death. But the greatest story, hey, good evening. The greatest story about coming back from the death is me. Haha. So, you know, I've been like, I've been like trying to eat the right things, control things, and all that. So yeah, I cannot go out yet. I wish I could go out tomorrow, but I think I have to stay here until Thursday, right? I have to be like 10 days. So this is the 5th day. So I can only go out on Thursday or Friday, but it's okay. It's very, very good progress. I was definitely feeling better every day. The first 2 days were not so good. You know, it was not going anywhere, but then I started to feel better and better and better. And today I'm like, hey, I feel very, very much better than yesterday and yesterday and yesterday. And I said, hey, why not test? And cool, okay? So cool. So, you know, COVID, how it's like. Now I can start preparing for the classes, especially the IRL events. I think one thing about COVID is that it's very, very boring, right? It's very, very boring. So I think this Saturday, guys, next Saturday, we will still have the online events. I am just going to be released from prison on Friday. Again, I will have my TED. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Do we have an IRL event on this next Saturday? I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether we should have an IRL on the 5th, on the 4th, right? On the 4th. On the 11th or 12th, most definitely, probably something there. But let's see what's happening. I feel a lot safer here. I feel a lot safer here because it's already been 1 week since I am out of prison. I will continue to test and test and test myself, right? I don't have any symptoms now, so that's kind of cool. That's just great. So let's see. I still owe you guys a Q&A, right? So maybe the IRL on the 11th or 12th, that will be open for all the guys who have our NFTs, and also the guys that are undergoing our courses. Maybe we have an open session here for Q&A. Yeah, Q&A, not Q&A, just AMA session. That'd be great, right? That'd be great. So I feel much better if it's like 1 week before. Of course, I always go get tests before these IRL events, right? Just something that I do, which probably caused me to get COVID this time. Because I had to test myself right before I do an IRL event. Oh my God. Yeah, I know. I don't know, man. It's so hard to not, it's so hard to stay at home now. Man, getting it again is devastating. So yeah, I know. I would hate that, man. I would really, really hate that. I can't stand that. Okay. I just can't stand that. It's just horrible when you are here and everyone else is out there, okay? When you're here and everyone else is out there. But let's see. So next week, definitely classes are as per normal, but we are going to have, yeah, most likely we are going to have the classes online. But yeah, I am trying to do an AMA. Yeah, an AMA would be good to meet. If you guys want to meet me, and I want to meet you guys, then the following week will be the good day to have something like an AMA event and IRL event, okay? So just yeah, just rent a room somewhere. I mean, that would be really, really cool. I should take a big room, okay? I should take a big room so that because like go and what do you say? Okay, go and maintain your distance, okay, guys? Maintain your distance. So let's see what's happening next. So now I think this week is really about waiting about this Bitcoin or whatever to go back, snap back into the summer rally that we may have from this, right? From the stock markets and all that. Man, why am I talking like this? Just like long COVID or what? now I'm fearing about long COVID. Okay, let's see here. Fear. Greed index. Where are we now? Let's see. We've been down for quite some time now. Let's see here. COVID bar in Phuket. Oh, there's a special COVID bar in Phuket. I got to see a good COVID bar in Phuket, man. I got to go see a COVID bar in Phuket. What's happening in COVID, man? What's happening, man? I just want to go somewhere, you know. After down with COVID, just after this, I just got to go somewhere, guys. I really, really got to go somewhere. Hey, why did you give me this? I don't want that. Yeah, this, give me this. Give me the greed and fear index. So we are still extreme fear. Okay, fine. Let's see how long we've been down here. Let's go for 3 months. Where are we now? Okay, so we were at 10, 10, 8, 8. So we've been quite down here for quite some time. And 30 looks like to be resistance, right? Let's go for 1 year. I just be careful there, okay? So it looks like 20, 30 here, okay? Could be 30 here. Look here. Goes to 30, tends to go down, go to 30, retest before it can even go up. So the good thing is that it is going up, but it is after being at an elevated level down for quite some time. Yeah, like 8 weeks in a row, this thing has been going down, right? So we need a turnaround here. We need to snap back into the normal thing that S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ has been doing. What else do we have here? So let's see here. Okay, so Serbia is buying more gas from Putin. 24-hour Tesla restaurants in Hollywood. Luxury watch companies turn to autos. Okay. People have lost interest in the metaverse. Quite so, you know. Quite so. Quite so because of this inflation, right? It's nothing to do with the metaverse, but it's all about inflation. Let's see. Pulling money. So I see Microsoft really doing very well, putting money into the metaverse now, including for people who work. Nowhere near, yeah, the promises are not there because I think what's going to happen is that a lot of companies are not going to have any money. So Unreal Engine is the engine that used to make the metaverse. So as I said, you know, the big companies that have finance are going to do very well. The small companies, not so. So just remember that, okay? I mean, I think this is going to be something more about blue chips now. Yes, you can occasionally find the small little company that starts from nowhere but goes up, and it could be a fad, but it could be real. So I don't know about that. But most of it is going to belong to the big guys. What else can we say here? Business Town, not in Dow rallies on inflation data. Tesla pops as Elon Musk issues this morning. Apple stock surges. Crash is still trash. Keeping money in the savings account is not safe. Here's what he holds in sets. So yeah, he doesn't like cash. He likes things that can go up. Understood, because you know, in a period of high inflation, cash is going to get you into trouble. What else do we see here? Nothing much, guys. Nothing much. So market rally could force the Fed to raise rates higher, of course. Of course. So nothing really exciting. I think people are now just waiting what will happen to this, right? What is really going to happen to this NASDAQ, Dow, and S&P? Of course, now we have another added equation of which Bitcoin and Ethereum has been suffering for quite some time. So let's see if Bitcoin and Ethereum can snap back into the rally, get around 32. Because I feel that's where it should be at. Let's see. What was the last time this was here, right? 4129. 4129. When was this? 4129 is around 2nd May. Where were we on 2nd May? Where were we on 2nd May? Oh, we're still there. Okay, fine. Where were we on 2nd May? See? See, we're on 37. I just want 32. I just want 32 there, you know, I just want 32. I just want 32. So we really have a big decoupling between this and that. Okay, so, okay, guys, any questions? That's actually all I have for tonight. So I've got to do a lot of things now, since I am getting back to normal again. Am I? Or maybe I'm already back at normal. I'm already back at normal, guys. Got a lot of work to do, but yeah, I'm glad I took rest at the right time, and voila, came out negative. But I'm still here until Thursday or Friday. I'm going to do another test on Wednesday. Then just after I get out, I'm going to do the third test again. Wow, so many tests. I have so many test kits now. You know? I have so many test kits. Guys, any questions, guys? On a day we go back to normalcy, and on a day where hopefully tomorrow, we hope that everything snaps back into place, right? We really hope that Bitcoin has to catch up with the NASDAQ and also the S&P 500. I'm going to see you guys later. Okay, guys? Got a lot of work to do. Seems like I am back to normal. The only thing that's not to normal with me is staying in the house and struggling with food. Yes, staying in the house and struggling with food, which is my biggest problem now. Other than that, good night, guys. See you guys later. Bye.